Now, there are times when regulatory requirements are so restrictive that the choices are basically water and soap. Techspray Aviation Degreaser 2 is a non-flammable cleaner that was engineered for major airlines to meet NESHAP air emission standards for hangar maintenance. It is effective at removing common aircraft hydraulic and lubricating fluids and has been proven safe on all aircraft surfaces. Techspray Aviation Degreaser 2 has a much lower toxicity than many competing products because it doesn't contain solvents like n-propyl bromide or trichloroethylene. Let us help you find the best solution for your operations. Go to techspray.com or reach out to us by email or phone.